Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do the iPhone 17 review, the rise of the underdog. So Apple just dropped the iPhone 17 and guess what? The so-called base model might have just outsmarted the Pro. Yeah, this is the underdog story Apple didn't want you to skip. First up, performance and display. So the iPhone 17 is powered by the A19 chip and it's fast, like open 10 apps in a second fast. And that's new 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display, 120Hz smoothness, 3000 nits brightness. You can literally see your reflection in the sun. Apple finally gave the regular iPhone the upgrade we've been begging for. Camera upgrade. Okay, this is where it gets juicy. The new 48 megapixel ultra wide lens plus an 18 megapixel selfie cam means sharper, brighter, richer shots even at night. You're basically getting pro level photography for hundreds of dollars less, and that's wild. Trade-offs. Sure, you don't get the crazy zoom or the lightning fast USB-C port, but honestly most people won't even notice because day to day, from camera to gaming to battery, the iPhone 17 just nails it. It's that rare Apple product that actually feels fair. Conclusion. So should you buy it? If you want performance, a killer camera, and the full Apple vibe without dropping Pro money, the iPhone 17 is the move. It's the comeback of the century. The underdog finally wins. Smash that like button if you'd pick this over the Pro. Drop your take in the comments and hit subscribe. And we've got more tech truths coming your way. Thanks for watching.